Hey guys, I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, we will talk about Kabartal, that is designated a Ramsar site. Now we have 39 Ramsar sites in India. Let's see its location. Kabartal we have in Bihar, Begusarai district, also known as Kabartal. It's a lake and it's the Asia's largest freshwater oxbow lake. Now you can see the location. What is oxbow lake? Here we can see in image we have this river flowing. Now erosion is happening at 2 points. First point is this and second point is this. Now there will be a point when this river will erode away all the landmass and river will start flowing straight. Now this meander will be separated from this river and it will form a lake, an oxbow lake, lake shaped in horseshoe, and this is called an oxbow lake, and this Kanwar lake is the Asia's largest freshwater oxbow lake. Now Kabartal wetland is wetland of international importance. That is what we call a Ramsar site, wetlands of international importance. Now this Ramsar site has an area of 2620 hectares on Indo-Gangetic plains in Begusarai district of Bihar. It acts as a vital flood buffer. It absorbs the water during flood, and not only this, it also provides livelihood opportunities to local communities. It is home to significant biodiversity of plants, animals, and also of fishes, and it is home to five critically endangered species that we can see. uh, and it is an important stopover along the Central Asian Flyway. It is a stopover, it is a resting place for the migratory water birds, and it is used as a rest and refuel place for them. And that's all about our new Ramsar site. If you want to know more about all other 38 Ramsar sites, then please go through the description box and visit the link that we have shared of all other 38 Ramsar sites of India. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching our videos, keep supporting us. Have a great day ahead.